We're going to look at taking photos off an iPad wirelessly. Now normally if you want to take photos off an iPad, you'd plug it into your laptop using the charging cable. This works fine most of the time. However, if you're in a school or a workplace, you may find that you can't find a cable. You may find that the ability to copy things via the cable has been removed by the administrator. There are lots of ways of doing it wirelessly, but this is the way we do it. And if you've got a school that's supported by eServices, you'll find that this app is ready to go. So on the iPad, you can download an app called Wi-Fi Album Free. You can see I've got it there on the screen. And as you can tell by the name, it's free. There is a paid for version which removes the adverts, but the free version works fine. So if we open the app, you'll see that it says at the top service and it's currently on. You can turn it off, and sometimes you do boot it up and the service is off. So you just have to click it so it goes on. And you'll see that it will say direct your computer's web browser to and give you an address. So this is all we have to do. So we go to our laptop and we put in the web address. Usually you don't need to put the https://. For Wi-Fi Album Free, it tends to work better if you do, so it's a good idea to just pop that in. Press enter. And you will see it will give you a series of folders that are on your iPad. And you will also see all photos. So for this, if we just click all photos, you'll see that we have a photo there of one of our eServices cups. I can click on download and it will download the photo that I want. And we're doing this all wirelessly. The only thing you have to make sure of is that your iPad and your laptop are on the same network. Again, if you're in work or at school, that should be fine. It should all be done for you. If you've got multiple photos, you'll see there we've got a first, previous, next and last. It can display as many pages as you want. You can individually download each photo, but obviously that's going to take time. If there's several photos, you can click download all. It will then compress all the photos into a zip file and download it. Depending on the size, that can be very, very big, and that will take a long time for the iPad to prepare it and to download it, but it does work. It will also do videos, so you'll be able to see videos in there and download those as well. Or you can actually, as you can see there, upload photos to the iPad wirelessly as well.